Testing 1, 2, 3. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Engineer Masood Sarkiani, and today we have the technical session number 140, and our subject is engineering field. Engineering field as a material in the construction. So before going ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe the video in order to reach the next video with the easy access. Our channel reference is Material Engineer Officials, where 140 videos are on board in order to uh, access always with without any difficulties. So, what is the engineering field material? Because there are materials suitable field, journal field, and the backfill material, and also the other hand engineering field. Mostly the materials are same but little bit different. So backfilling material and the suitable field and the structural field, all of this material are should be excavated from site, and if it is comply with the testing, we can use this one, which is recommended to use at site for the low cost and the economic basis and whatsoever it is. But the engineering field, it is the subgrade material and it should comply with the parameters, which is uh, at least it should be contain 65% silt, whereas in the other materials, general filling and this structural fill, there is no requirement for the silt content. So 65% silt content, and it is showing in the sieve number 4, 65% retained. So if the silt is 65% and the MDD is greater than 1.75 or 1.8 minimum, this is a lower limit, and the plasticity index, which is maximum 6, and also the modified factor or the standard factor, whatever it is, it should be, uh, as I discussed, 7 should be minimum 1 point, above 1.8 or 1.75, and also the CBR value uh, should be above 20, and it is specified in some specification 30, and should be above 30 as per the specification. And all of these tests, soil tests, this should be comply with the BS 1377 part 2 and whatsoever this is required. So the engineering field is mostly used under the roads, under the subways, and this is prepared mostly. It is recommended to prepare at the plant site where the most sizes are required to be fixed, because in the dust content, sieve number 175 or 200 sieves, this should be minimum 8 to the 15. In between, the dust content should be there, and non-plasticity index, which is the PI 1.6. And so this is the dense material as compared to the general filling and other suitable filling whatsoever it is. So the engineering field is a material use. It can be used for the earthwork, infill, and the ground level embankment. If the shortage of the other materials, if it is spare, it can be used also. The main difference between the backfilling and the engineering field, engineering field is a new material, whereas the backfilling is excavated and refilling in the same area. So backfilling is usually done at the end of the construction project, while the filling is often done through the projects to keep excavation stable and keep the engineering field as a road pavement, which is subgrade level, and the thickness of the pavement should be according to the working drawing and the specification and approved documents also, which either it is the 20 centi or the 15 centi layer at 95% compaction. So engineering field mean over the 12 inches in depth, place a layer or the crushed stone and the masonry waste material free of expensive soil and the organic matters, compact it and test it in accordance to the engineering practice to ensure the particular specification and whatsoever. So master relation at a limit particular size, which is similar is MCV, and also maximum ride density CBR, triaxial also, and chemical test and relationship testing should be in accordance to BS 1377 Part 2, or if it is the recommended to the ASTM according to the specification, it can be recommended. There is no any other suggestion or no any other restriction to use it, because it can be tested and comply with all the standards. So this was the briefing about the engineering field, which is the most important, durable and sustainable material for the road pavements, and which is coming under the layer of the road base, and complete flop of the asphalt pavement. So this was the briefing about the engineering field. So thank you very much, and have a nice day.